Okay, so in addition to trying to get these fans out of here, there's a couple things you'll need to know. There's a couple clips here that you'll need to remove. So there's this little button here. You do have to push down on that. So don't try to pry it up or anything. Push down on that. And then these here will slip out very easily. Also, the fan itself has some other items over here. And those will run through these little things here. Now, those are in a plastic sleeve, which look very similar to this right here. And these plastic sleeves will run through these clips. Now this can be very difficult to get out, but you just kind of keep working at it to get it out of there. So just keep that in mind. It's okay that those do need to come out. There's also the power for the fans themselves, which is right here. So you'll just simply, once again, you'll just push down on the clips in order to release those from these black things here, and you just basically will just squeeze in this area, and then those should come out of there. They may be zip tied or something, so make sure that if they are, you're pulling any zip ties. Now another thing that's going to impede this fan from coming out is this little wire here. Okay, so you're going to need to come here, and there's a 10mm bolt here that you're going to need to remove, and then that will allow this to slide out of the way so we can get our fans out of here. We'll get the driver's side one out first, and then we'll slide the passenger one out in order to get that out as well. And that'll get our fans out of our way. Just be careful not to damage your radiator if you're trying to put a new one in when you go to put these back in, or even if you're trying to salvage the old one, you don't want to damage it, or you're trying to get it repaired or whatever. Just be careful with the fans not to rake against the surface of the radiator in there, because you could damage it or even puncture it. So just be very cautious with that.